Last night I drove myself up to the Odeon Lux at the Glasgow Springside Quay to watch the 40th anniversary screening of the Terminator. I'd never seen it on the big screen, so I thought it'd be a great opportunity and it would give me a chance to look at what the 4K Blu-ray might look like when it arrives later in the year. So I thought I'd film this quick little out of the cinema reaction video to give you a heads up.
I'll be back.
So I've just got out from seeing the 40th anniversary screening of the Terminator at the Glasgow Odeon Quayside Cinema. Such a good film. I forgot how good the film was. Any film that can keep you awake when you're watching it at 1 o'clock in the morning passes the quality test as far as I'm concerned. I went into this film fully expecting it to be another DNR nightmare. If you've been following the channel, you'll know that I've covered it extensively, how much DNR has been implied in the new transfers of True Lies and Aliens and whatnot. So understandably I thought that was going to be the case tonight, but I have to say I was just nothing but impressed with this transfer. Now this is an Odeon Lux, so it'll be reasonably well spec screens, but it wasn't in their iSense. I know that iSense and Odeon has 4K technology and it has Dolby Vision HDR implementation, but this was just a kind of small screen off to the side of the venue, so I would imagine it was probably a 2K projector, but a fairly recent projector, so it's probably that 4K restoration kind of downscaled. But I have to say it looked absolutely fantastic. Now the Blu-ray I have already looked pretty clean. This also looked clean, but it still looked authentic. It didn't have that kind of waxy, rubbery look at all that I could see, and this is on a massive screen obviously, watching it in a cinema. Most notably the colours just popped. I mean, as soon as we got the entrance of the Terminator, those flashes of electricity, it was really apparent how vibrant the colour was, and then you see Bill Paxton with that crazy blue spiky kind of hairdo that he has. As soon as I seen him on screen I knew, right, okay, those colours are different. That's not what I've seen before watching on home video. And it remained like that throughout. The colours are just so well refined, they're just kind of rejuvenated, and it brings the film to life. So I'm assuming that's the kind of new colour grading, and I can't wait to see what it actually looks like in HDR, hopefully, on this 4K Blu-ray release when it comes out. But yeah, overall, just looked impeccable. I was really straining to see the DNR waxy look, and it just wasn't there. Now I appreciate when we get it transferred over onto disc, it might be different. It might be a slightly different transfer for the home video, I'm not sure. Might be a slightly different tinkering than what we've seen on the cinema for the theatrical release. But if that's anything to go by, I think it's a good sign. And the sound was awesome as well. I mean, the gunshots, it was really dynamic. There was a lot of kind of movement between the channels. There was a lot happening in the back, especially the shootouts. There was bullets pinging all over the place. Really, really good. So I think if that's the new kind of Atmos up-tooling, shall we say, the Atmos upgrade, then I think that'll be good fun on the disc as well, for those that like to see older movies get that kind of sound upgrade. But yeah, I can't really fault the 40th anniversary screening of the Terminator. The new 4K restoration looks great. Certainly on the screen I watched it on, it looked great. So maybe we don't have to be as worried as we maybe were about the 4K disc when it finally comes out for the Terminator. So that's that. I'm kind of glad I came up. I'm pretty tired now. If you can hear it in my voice, that's because it's nearly 2 o'clock in the morning. But I'm going to get down the road now and put this video together. Let me know in the comments if you took the time to see Terminator, the new 4K restoration this weekend, and maybe also what you think of the recently released steelbook design that we're getting in the UK anyway. As I say, drop a wee comment and I'll get a chat with you down there. Alright, until next time, catch you later.